y'all, it's Chris and Tammy with Collard Valley Cook. We have some broccoli going on the stove. We've got some baked potatoes in the air fryer, and we are going to grill these pork chops indoors because I got a new Lodge grill pan. So this is Steak and Chop Weber, which I love it. I put it on a lot of my meats, and we're gonna season them a lot. Okay, that's salt and pepper pretty much, so I think that's good, unless you want me to put some more on there, Chris. I tossed it on there good, didn't I?
Yeah.
And we're gonna coat them in some olive oil. This will take some of that off of there. And I'm gonna rub them around pretty good in this, because we're gonna drop them on the grill, and we want them not to burn. And I hope it makes grill marks. We're gonna see. We're gonna get it so hot, it's gonna have to. It is a 10-inch, I think.
Pretty big, yeah.
I just want to see how hot it is. Now we want that thing to get really hot if you want to make grill marks on these pork chops. And I don't think I'm gonna be able to put but 2 in there at a time. And Chris usually cooks them on the grill. So you tell me, Chris, how long we should cook these pork chops?
Probably about 4 or 5 minutes to side.
Okay. And they're about, I'd say about a 1/2 inch thick, wouldn't you?
Yeah,
About a 1/2 inch. But it is starting to smoke a little bit.
You got it on high, and it's been since before we started this video.
All right, here we go. I hope it makes a grill mark.
I hope so.
I hope it does. If it don't, I'm gonna blame Chris. All right, here we go. Boy, don't that look good?
We'll need to be able to get one on there.
That's the truth. I don't really need to move it once I put it down, do I? We are going to put a little barbecue sauce on them, and I just grabbed some out of the pantry tonight. Sweet Baby Ray's. You can use whatever you want. Now, this Sweet Baby Ray's is a little spicy. It's sweet and spicy. This is the one Chris really likes, ain't it, Chris?
Yeah.
It's got 3 minutes. It's been on there 1 minute. Y'all take a look at the edges of it. It's starting to cook, you can tell. I think I'm gonna burn it.
This is why Tammy can't grill.
Why?
She's wanting to move that pork
Ooh,
chop.
I wanna move it
She
so
can't
bad.
stand just sitting here and watching it cook.
You move them.
Yeah, I do a cross thing.
Yeah,
if you're
so
gonna
I mean,
cross
it's been 2 minutes.
If you're gonna cross it, cross it.
All right, just pick it up
Yep,
and
turn it the other
do what?
direction. Turn it the other direction.
Look, y'all,
Turn it the other direction.
like this.
Yeah. There you go. I don't even know if I videoed that. I was so worried about you sitting there.
Look, now the blood's coming up to the top.
Uh-huh.
That's how you know it's getting done.
Yeah.
Coming down to the wire.
Look at that. Looks like a big old steak or something, don't it?
It looks good. Good old Lodge skillet. We're gonna drop the next one. This one is thin.
It's not oil.
You want me to cook the thick one for you?
Whatever. Yeah.
I'm gonna coat it good in the oil
Yeah.
before I
You need to get it in this.
get it in that hot grill. Hey, this is why people grill outside. That one's bigger. And the blood's coming to the top already. See it?
Perfect.
Now, I would suggest if you do this, you don't have a show like we do, and as soon as the chop comes off of the skillet, you serve it.
Getting this reality. There we go. Look
Boy,
at
it's
that.
pretty, ain't it?
Set the timer.
Working. And we'll have to use Chris's pretty pork chop for the picture, because it's beautiful. But let's taste mine. While his is cooking, All right, let's cut it and see what it looks like on the inside. Beautimous. Plenty juicy. Look at all that juice on the plate.
Okay. Good?
Mm-hmm. That's that side.
Yeah.
We're gonna eat. Look at this pretty pork chop off the grill. Thanks for watching. Collard Valley Cooks. Smoke up the house and have a smoky good meal. We'll see you next time.
I'm sure your mama probably smoked up the house once or twice out there, didn't they? Don't lie.
Love ya.